Malfax Fool served as a harbinger of the Night Lord's Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Terran by birth, Malfax distinguished himself among his peers within the Eighth as among the few to have survived during the Wars of Unification. Viewed by his kin both with reverence and derision, his lineage is an outsider to the culture of Nostramo, and teachings of his Primarch, Konrad Curze, set Fool apart from his peers. Though a veteran of countless wars, the Night Haunter branded Malfax with the mark of shame, the red gauntlets customary for outcasts of the Eighth. Disgusted by Terran Astartes' nature, as soldiers rather than ascended criminals and murderers, many within the Night Lord saw such proud predecessors of their legion as reminders of their own failures and flaws. Deploying Malfax to the forefront of the most deadly battles the Legion would wage, it would not be long before Fool was fatally wounded. Interred within a dreadnought sarcophagus, and taking to the field once again within his Contemptor chassis, Malfax, despite his poor treatment, strived to redeem himself in the eyes of his Primarch. Unknowingly defecting alongside his traitorous legion into the fold of the War Master's rebellion, the Horus Heresy, Malfax fought the Dark Angel's Legion during the bloody Framas Crusade. Battling on the world of Sheol 9, Fool regularly succumbed to fugue states, wherein he relived the battles of his past campaigns. Unable to distinguish the reality that he was fighting loyal servants of the Emperor, Malfax Fool died in battle against the First Legion, believing himself to be fighting alongside the Emperor within the era of the Unification Wars. His legacy honored by neither traitor nor loyalist, all that remains of his tale is of a man shamed and broken to the point of not knowing the enemies he faced, nor the allegiance he kept.